Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna go pick up my car, which I already have. I was so excited to go pick up the car that I forgot to record an intro, so let's skip to my delivery date. Here it is, 2023 Tesla Model 3 Performance. All the panel gaps look good to me. I don't see anything concerning. Oh my god, the new car smell is awesome. All right, guys, I just got to my Tesla Model 3 Performance 2023. No ultrasonic sensors, upgraded cameras, and I'll do some recording here and show you guys. Man, the car smells awesome, brand new. I mean, I love it. It's a little, like, certain spots are a little dirty, but I'm gonna get it fully detailed and get ceramic coating on it, so I'm not too worried about that. I didn't see any scratches. Guys can see the video. It's better made than my 2019, that's for sure. And I don't know, guys, I'm just super excited, and yeah, that's about it. I don't know. I'm just gonna get ready to set up all the stuff so everything's awesome. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. So we got the wireless charging now that wasn't available on my car, the new upgraded center console. No tray. We have this little mat on the bottom. Close that. I don't think I had these on mine. It's not magnetic. It's still got the latch there. I already put the keys there. I have the tray for my old one, so hopefully it works. I'm gonna say, if you guys are gonna get the interior, go for it. All right, guys, I popped the hood here, or the front. This one does not come with the mat that came with my other one. Audio is probably pretty loud. Oh, I forgot the automatic trunk now. I was trying to open it myself. No mobile connector. We got little scuffs there. We've got the license plate holder and the J1772 adapter. I'll keep that in the front. I'll just put it back here. Nice space. Then we got the pull cord for the emergency, so I'll leave that tucked in. I mean, for the charger. All right, guys, so I just adjusted the mirrors. Where were they? Mirrors right here, and you adjust it with the scroll wheel. The steering wheel, I left it pretty much where it's at. I'm comfortable where it's at. Right, so I'm gonna enable auto steer, which is for autopilot, and full Full self-driving visualization. I think I had my offset to like 3%. Or was it 5%? We'll do 5%. I think that's what I had. So whenever you enable autopilot, it'll go 5%. Display, relative, collision, early, lane departure avoidance. I think I had assist on my other car. And everything else is on. I think that's it. For now, I'm gonna have to avoid toll roads, so I'll get my toll pass maybe tomorrow after work. Dash cam on auto. Save 10 minutes of video to your USB automatically when your vehicle detects occurrence of safety such an accident, airbag deployment. Okay, accept. Cabin. Security alarm. I think I had security alarm. All my tires at 42. All right, it feels really weird because I used to have I don't know why my car's not, I just realized that the car's not displayed here. So I'll probably reboot the computer real quick. And yeah, what else did I have? I think I don't remember what I had down here. Did I have, I had the camera. I don't remember. I'll figure it out. Yeah, I've been here for a little while, so I think I'm taking off. I got my tags, so I'm good to go.